In this video lesson, we will talk about finding decimal approximations for the values of the 6 trigonometric functions for all angles. Let's have the problem. Find the trigonometric value of an angle. Round your answer to 4 decimal places. In problem number 1, we have cosine 56.2 degrees. And before we find the answer for this one, kailangan natin ng scientific calculator. Ayan. I have here a scientific calculator, and in this calculator, we have a trigonometric button. We have the sine, cosine, and tangent. And aside from that, meron din yung second function. For the sine, we have sine raised to the negative 1. For the cosine, we have cosine raised to the negative 1. And for the tangent, we have the tangent raised to negative 1. And aside from that, we have also a button for the degree. Ito yan, the degree, minutes, and seconds. And dapat, alam mo din kung ano ang mode ng calculator mo. Kasi importante yan, magkaiba ang answer ng nasa degree mode, iba rin ang answer ng nasa radian mode. Okay. In this case, actually, naka-degree mode na tayo. Kasi once you see a capital letter D here, meaning your calculator is in degree mode. And paano ba nangyari yun? Bakit naging ganyan? Ang ginawa lang dyan is you press shift and then press mode. And the deg here means degree. Pag press mo lang ang 3 dyan, ayan, mag-a-appear na ang capital letter D, meaning your calculator is in degree mode. Paano naman kapag radian mode? Press mo lang si shift, press mode, and then this rad means radian. So, press mo lang ang number 4, and then when you see a capital letter R, ibig sabihin, your calculator is in radian mode. And since ang question number 1 natin is cosine 56.2 degrees and 56.2 degrees is a degree measure, ibig sabihin yung calculator mo dapat naka-degree mode. So, gawin nating degree mode yan kasi kapag naka-radian mode yan, magiging mali ang sagot natin. So, lipat natin, press shift, press mode, and then let's have the deg. Press lang natin, ayan, naka-letter D na siya. You can now find the answer for this one. Madali hanapin ang decimal value ng trig functions natin kapag cosine, sine, and tangent. Kasi nandiyan na siya eh. Pipress mo lang. Like for example, in our problem, cosine 56.2 degrees. So, press the cosine function and then 56.2, and this one is the degree. And then close natin, and that will be the answer. So, that is 0.5. Sulat natin yan lahat. Okay, let's try. So, this one is equal to 0.5562956155. Ayan, yan ang nasa calculator natin. And in our instruction, your answer should be rounded to 4 decimal places. Okay. So, hanggang dito daw. Ayan, hanggang 4 decimal places. And look at the right side. Since this one is 9, so ibig sabihin that is round up. So, your answer now is 0.5563. And this one is the value of cosine 56.2 degrees. Let's have tangent 15 degrees, 23 minutes. Okay, let's have our calculator. Again, look at the given. Since we are given a degree measure, so ibig sabihin dapat your calculator is in degree mode. Since our calculator is in degree mode, so pwede na tayong gumamit ng ating calculator. So press tan, the tangent button, and then 15 degrees. Ito ang degrees natin. 23 minutes. Kung mapapansin nyo, parehas lang silang degrees. Diba, parehas lang sila. Pero po, ang second na degrees natin dyan is for the minutes. Hindi na siya sa degree. Pag may kasunod pa yan, ibig sabihin that is for the seconds. And then, close lang natin. And we have now the answer, 0.2751329579. And that is the value of our tangent 15 degrees and 23 minutes. Sulat natin. So, we have 0.27 5132957 and then you're asked to round your answer to 4 decimal places. So, hanggang dito sa apat na to. Since ang pang fifth number natin is 3, meaning remain natin si 1. So, ibig sabihin, your answer here is 0.2751. That is the value for 15 degrees and 23 minutes. Let's have the third example. We have sine pi over 9. Okay, again, look at the given. We have pi over 9 and that is in Radian measure. So, using our scientific calculator, again, if that is in Radian measure, dapat ang calculator mo should be in Radian mode. Since naka-degree mode tayo, palitan natin yan. Shift, mode, and then let's have 4 for the Radian. Ayan. You have now a capital letter R. So, ibig sabihin, naka-Radian mode ng ating calculator. So, let's have press the sign button, and then since that is a fraction, I have here a fraction button. Press ko lang siya, and then I need pi. Pi is located here. That is the second function of times 10 raised to x. So, press ko lang si shift, and then press ko yan, and may pi na ako. And then down ko, and then 9. Ayan, and then i-close ko lang. Equals, we have now 0.3420201433, and that is the value now of sine pi over 9. So, let's write the answer. So, this one is equal to 0.3420201433. Again, you need to round your answer to 4 decimal places. Hanggang dyan, since ang pang-fifth natin ay 2. So, meaning, the value for sine pi over 9 is equal to 0.3420. Let's find the trig value of the angle. Second, 24.37 degrees. Again, look at the given. So, we have 24.37 degrees. That is in degree measures. Ibig sabihin, your calculator should be in degree mode. But, tingnan natin. Our problem, we have second. So, ibig sabihin, wala naman yan dito sa ating calculator. So, wala kang makikita dyang diretsong second button natin. So, ano ang gagawin natin? In using your scientific calculator and you want to find the cosecant, secant, and then cotangent, remember that your cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta are reciprocal functions of the sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta respectively. So, ibig sabihin, gamitin natin yun. So, for this one, we have secant 24.37 degrees. Hindi tayo pwedeng diretsong gumamit ng scientific calculator. So, let's have, since ang secant ay reciprocal function ng cosine, so ibig sabihin, you can write this one as the secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. So, ibig sabihin, to find secant 24.37 degrees, that is the same as 1 over cosine 24.37 degrees. And let's find first the value of this cosine 24.37 degrees. We have now over. So, press natin sa calculator ang cosine 24.37 degrees since that is located now in our trigonometric button. So, may cosine tayo. So, press cosine 24.37 degrees. So, equal. So, we have now 0.91089983969. So, sulat natin. So, we have now 0.91, wait, 0.91089983669. Ayan. And then, pares natin yan sa ating scientific calculator. So, we have here, so ayan, so we have 1 divide 0.9108 998,369 equals. And that is equal to 1 point. So we have 1.097815544. So, sulat natin. So you have now 1.097815544. So again, you need to round your answer to 4 decimal places. Ayan, since ang pang-fifth natin ay 1. So meaning your second 24.37 degrees is equal to 1.0978. And that is your answer. Examples 1 to 4 are acute angles. How about if you're asked to find the value of angle that is more than acute angles? Okay, how about if you're asked to find sine 324.72 degrees? Again, look at the given. We have a degree measure. So, when using the calculator, it should be in degree mode. Ayan, naka-degree mode tayo. And then, let's press the sine button and then 324.72. And the answer is a negative 0.57757272034. Okay, let's write the answer in our board. So that is equal to negative 0.577572734. And then round your answer to 4 decimal places. So this one. And yung pang fifth natin is 7. So the value for our sine, 324.72 degrees is equal to negative 0.5776. And nagtataka ka ngayon, ma'am, why is it negative? Our angle here is positive. Kasi po, if you will look at 324.72 degrees, that is greater than 270 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin that angle is located in quadrant 4. Nasa quadrant 4 yan. And if that is in quadrant 4, your sign here is a negative. Kaya dapat, ang value mo dapat talaga ay a negative value. So, our answer is correct. Let's have tangent negative 7 pi over 10. So, first, look at the given. We have negative 7 pi over 10, and that is in Radian measure. In using your scientific calculator, make sure your calculator is in Radian mode. Okay, so our calculator is in degree mode, so let's change that into Radian mode. So let's have shift mode and then let's press 4. So we have now capital letter R. So ibig sabihin naka-Radian mode na ang ating calculator. So let's answer. So press tangent button and then let's have, since that's a negative, let's press negative sign and then that is a fraction. Let's have a fraction button. For the numerator, we have 7 pi, so press 7. For the pi, let's have shift and then press the second function of times 10 raised to x para magkaroon ka ng pi. And then denominator, we have 10. And then, i-close lang natin yan. We have now the answer, 1.37638.192. Let's write the answer. So this one is equal to 1.37638192. And then, round your answer to 4 decimal places. So, hanggang dito. Since our fifth number is 8, that is round up. The value now of your tangent, negative 7 pi over 10, is equal to 1.3764. Ayan, magtataka ka ngayon. Ma'am, why is it our answer is positive kahit ang given mo ay negative 7 pi over 10? Actually, parehas lang din naman yan nung last example natin. You should know the signs of trig functions per quadrant. Since this one is a negative 7 pi over 10, tingnan natin ha. You have negative 7 pi over 10. let's look for the coterminal of that angle. So, that negative 7 pi over 10 coterminal with, ang kakoterminal niyan is 13 pi over 10. And this 13 pi over 10 is located in quadrant 3. Diba? In quadrant 3, the tangent and cotangent are positive in that quadrant. So, ibig sabihin, dapat ang answer mo is positive. Since our answer is a positive, so our answer is correct. Kung nahihirapan naman kayo dealing with a Radian measure, change nyo siya into a degree measure. Like, yung negative 7 pi over 10 mo, change mo yan into a degree measure. So, that is equal to negative 126. And, to solve this one, find the coterminal of that one, negative 126. Siyempre, pag hinanap po yung coterminal no, you simply add 360 degrees. And, it results to 234 degrees. Itong 234 degrees and 13 pi over 10, parehas lang po yan ng value. Kapag ito change mo into degree measure, that is equal to 234 degrees. And this one is located in quadrant 3. Same with this one. In quadrant 3, we have a positive trig functions, yung tangent and cotangent. So, dapat ang answer natin ay positive. So, therefore, the 1.3764 is correct.